Meaning of forerib.
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 Forerib. The term forerib typically refers to a cut of beef that comes from the rib section of the animal. Specifically, it generally includes ribs 6 through 12 and is often sold as a roast. The forerib is known for its tenderness and rich flavor and is a popular choice for holiday meals and other special occasions. When cooked correctly, it can result in a juicy and delicious main dish that is sure to impress guests. Overall, the forerib is a prized cut of meat with a long history of culinary tradition.